Hi YouTube, have you ever tried these bands? They can work, and they can also work really good as part of our bodybuilding routine. First of all, to get a wee band like this, what you could do is you could do a quick half an hour session that really hits all those muscle fibres that don't get hit whilst training heavy. First exercise we could do, upright rows. What I would do, up, 3, 4, 5, can't be bothered doing them all, but I would do 15, then I would rest for maybe 3 or 4 seconds, do another 15, rest again only 3 or 4 seconds, do another 15, and then move on to the next exercise. So altogether I would be doing 3. After I've done that, I would do triceps. So find the back. Again, it's quite difficult. You can make it even more difficult if you pull it further behind. So the further down you pull it, the more difficult it can be. So again, I would do 15 on each side. Can't be bothered doing it. So I'll just show you. 15 again. Again, rest for around maybe 3 or 4 seconds in between, and then once you've done 3 sets of them, next exercise. The bands, the bigger one, I would use, up like that, shoulder press. You're not getting the full range of motion here, but it's quite hard, and it'll definitely give you a good workout. So again, try and get between 10 and 15, rest a couple of seconds, do another one, rest a couple of seconds, do another one, so that's 3 sets of that, and then lateral raises, like that. Again, you can make it more difficult, all you have to do is adjust the band. So we'll do 15 of them, rest a couple of seconds, do 15 again, rest a couple of seconds, do 15 again. And then you can do bicep curls. And again, all you have to do is adjust the band with your foot to make it harder. So if I have more leeway at this side, it means it's harder at that side. Again, 15, rest, 15 again. Do another 15. Another 15, sorry I can't be bothered doing it, but you know what I mean. Once you've done that, you do another exercise, which is quite simple as well. Just stick to one side for the shoulders. Oh, what's the light? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then you do the other side. 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. As you can see, it can be quite difficult when you can adjust the bands to make it even harder. After that, what I would do, sorry I just need to move this so you can see. This is great for working at home. If you want to work at home, this is great. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use the stairs banister to do rows. So just the band round the banister, move myself back, and do 1, 2, 3, And then rest for 15 seconds. Not even 15 seconds, a couple of seconds. Do another one. Rest a couple of seconds to do another one. So, last one, triceps. Again, round the banister again. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 3 sets of them. So you can see barn training can be very beneficial as well. I would recommend to do this a couple of times a month as well with your normal bodybuilding routine. I'll put some more clips on for people if they're wanting any information about this, and I'll also be putting some more videos on if you're doing heavier weight training. Thanks very much, but this is great for bodybuilding at home if you're short on money there. Cheers.